If you're seeing Epic Games error code 86, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get the Epic Games launcher working again. This error can happen when the launcher has corrupted cache files, a damaged install, permission issues, or a problem that needs a fresh reinstall. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without any advanced technical skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, we're going to clear the web cache. This is one of the most common fixes because the Epic Games launcher uses cached web data, and when that data becomes corrupted, it can trigger login problems, loading issues, and error code 86. To do this, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Then open File Explorer on your PC and go to the folder where Epic stores its web cache. Look for the web cache folder inside the Epic Games Launcher data directory. Once you find it, delete the web cache folder. Don't worry, this will not delete your games. It only clears temporary launcher files. After that, restart your computer and try opening the launcher again. If the error is still there, the next step is to repair the launcher. To do that, open the Windows control panel and go to Programs and Features. Find Epic Games Launcher in the list of installed programs, right-click it, and choose Repair if that option is available. This will check the launcher files and fix anything that may be missing or broken. If Windows asks for permission, approve it and let the repair process complete fully before testing the launcher again. Now, if repairing didn't solve it, try running Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Sometimes, the launcher needs extra permission to access files, services, or updates correctly. To do this, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and select Run as Administrator. If that works, you can also set it to always run with admin privileges by opening the shortcut properties, going to Compatibility, and enabling Run this program as an administrator. This can help prevent the same issue from coming back later. If none of those steps fixed error code 86, the last method is to reinstall the launcher. Start by uninstalling Epic Games Launcher from your computer through the control panel or Windows settings. Once it is removed, restart your PC to clear any leftover processes. Then go to the official Epic Games website and download a fresh copy of the launcher. Install it again, sign back in, and check whether the error is gone. A clean reinstall often solves problems caused by corrupted files or a failed update. So to quickly recap, clear the web cache, repair the launcher, run it as administrator, and if needed, reinstall Epic Games Launcher from the official website. One of these steps should fix Epic Games error code 86 and get you back into your games. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming fix guides and PC troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.